time to focus on your marketing efforts to make sure that you really take advantage of this time of the year. With 3 months until summer, this is your chance to really appeal to your new potential clients and get them on board. To some people, the first rays of spring sunshine can be a painful reminder of what's hiding underneath those winter jumpers, which in turn can act as a powerful trigger for change. Now is the perfect time to find and approach your new clients. So here are the 5 marketing hacks to help you build your new client base. Number 1 is understand your ideal customer. Understanding your ideal customer should be your number 1 priority even before you qualify as a personal trainer. Figure out what people you most want to work with. Then ask yourself these simple questions. What are their current problems and frustrations? What do they talk about with their friends and their family? What language do they use? How could your services help with their unique struggles? What do they do? Where do they hang out in real life and most importantly online? Get a bigger picture of their life. Learn to speak their language. Appeal to them on a personal and honest level. Put your efforts into knowing your customers better than they know themselves, and make sure that your services are suited specifically to their needs. Once you understand your ideal customer, you can target them specifically with your marketing, highlighting their problems and using the language that will most appeal to them. If you're trying to appeal to anyone and everyone on Facebook, you are wasting your time. Which brings us to hack number 2, which is to specialize. Don't try to be the perfect solution for everyone. You've probably heard it before. Choose one area that you're truly passionate about and establish yourself as an expert. Is your thing weight loss or bodybuilding? Are you into sport performance or chronic disease prevention? Pick the area you're most interested in based on your ideal customer scenario. You can't be the best at everything, and not everyone looking for a personal trainer is your ideal client. I'm an alright strength coach. I like my heavy lifts and learning about the principle of strength building. On the other hand, I don't know a lot about bodybuilding and physique competitions because frankly, I've no interest in it. But my main thing is weight loss, psychology of dieting, emotional eating, health and longevity. That's the areas that I choose to specialize in and excel at. That doesn't mean that I wouldn't be able to prepare someone for a competition. It just means that I choose to invest my time into things I'm truly passionate about and work with clients that I can actually serve best. So specialize. There are things that you're good at and things that you're not. There are things that you want to do and things that you don't. So choose the ones that you're good at and that you enjoy doing, and then learn as much as you can about those areas. Don't be afraid to say no to potential clients. Target the clients that you really want to work with. 1, because this way your expertise matches their needs, but 2, you'll do work that you actually enjoy instead of just making money. Hack number 3 is probably one of the easiest methods to gain new clients, yet so many new personal trainers feel very reluctant to do it. Referrals means asking your existing clients to refer their friends to you. So why so many of us are not doing this? Well, for some it feels intimidating and pushy and salesy. Well, the bad news is a big part of your job is going to be sales, and the quicker you learn to ask the uncomfortable questions, the better the chances that you will make it in the industry. Here's the thing. If you truly believe in your own commitment to your clients, if you trust your skill set, if you know that you can make a difference in somebody's life, then you should not feel bad about marketing your service to those who need it. So if you've helped your current clients, if you've established a good relationship with them, if they feel happy with their own results, then they will be more than happy to help you get more clients and refer their friends to you. But they might not think about it until you actually ask them. Number 4 is to build a strong brand. In the world of social media, you can no longer get away without a strong, professional looking brand. Your Facebook profile, your page, your website should all represent your business in the most professional manner. A potential client will not approach you about your services unless they feel like your business is legit, approachable, and trustworthy. So take some time to put all relevant information together, present them in a clear way, and convince your audience that you're the best at what you do. This doesn't necessarily mean that you have to spend hours posting content on your Facebook page, but it means being transparent with your work, showing your credentials, including testimonials, sharing valuable content, using good quality pictures, and making your brand clear and appealing to potential clients. To help you with this hack, you can now go to the ActiveIQ Skills Hub website to download a PDF with free branding resources that you can use to build a strong brand for your business. Number 5 is the most important tip, but also the most obvious one. But here's the truth. Some of us get so caught up in trying to get new clients and make sales that we forget about the core ingredient of our business, which is our services. Before you invest all of your efforts into advertising and marketing, make sure that your product, your service is actually good and that you're offering value to your client. It doesn't matter how well you understand your customer or how many people you ask for referrals or how much content you post on Facebook. If you're not a good personal trainer, if your services are ineffective, if you don't put any effort into training your clients, you will not be successful in what you do. The quality of your service should be your top priority. Yes, we'll all have a few clients that are a little bit more difficult to coach and you might struggle with helping them reach their goals, but you don't want to find yourself in a position where you have 10 clients and not a single one of them is achieving results. The quality of your coaching should always come before your need to build a bigger client base. Making sure you're not just good at marketing your services, but that you're actually delivering on your promises. If you're good, the word will spread, but it takes time and a lot of happy clients. Focus most of your efforts on doing the best you can for your current clients, because as they achieve great results, they will become your biggest advocates and a free marketing tool. So that's it. These are your 5 marketing hacks that will transform your business and help you secure more clients. So as a quick recap, know who your ideal customer is, then use their language and interest to show them why you're the best option for them. Number 2, specialize. Don't try to be the best at everything, choose your niche. Number 3, don't be afraid to ask for referrals. People who value your services will happily recommend you to others. Number 4, build a strong brand. First impressions are important. Make sure your social media profiles and website look professional and legit. And number 5, it's all about your services. Make sure you're the best at what you do and the word will spread. Remember, for the summary of this video and additional free resources, check out the PDF document available for download at the ActiveIQ Skills Hub. And I will see you in the next video.